Yeah, so we have Mr. Uday Chandra from Bangalore with me, and we recently had a wonderful one-to-one. It's almost 2 hours from now. We are into we have gone to the very deep discussion into his finances. So it was a wonderful discussion with you, Mr. Chandra. So I just wanted to know your feedback, how you feel, and what's your takeaway from the one-to-ones we had. Over to you, Mr.
Yeah,
Chandra.
hi. Great. Yeah, hi, Shyam. So it was really a great conversation. We spent almost 2 hours, and you really had the patience of being in this call for 2 hours. I don't know usually whether you take 2 hours or not, but yeah, thank you so much for your patience. So basically, the call we were able to understand that what is the exact things which is required for my, here the only benefit of having this call was that you were able to customize it for me. You were able to go ahead and show what is required for me and how much of savings or how much of planning is required for me for my retirement. So that was a excellent thing what you did, and completely worth it. I would say that time spent with you made a lot of value for me. Yeah.
What is your what is one biggest learning you have, or biggest takeaway you have from this one-to-one? What next thing which you are going to do immediately after this, I can say?
So it's going to be starting small, Sham. So basically, one is that starting small is the only thing. And once you don't have to, think of that big number of 20,000-30,000 of thing. Just as I just told you, I'm going to start small with you. And then, I feel that you have that experience to go ahead and manage the funds in a great way. So definitely with your experience, I'm sure I would be able to achieve my goal with you.
Great, great. So thank you very much once again, Udayji, for the kind words. Definitely, whatever the plan we worked on, we'll definitely go ahead on this, and one of my team members will get in touch with you for the further process and everything. So we'll keep in touch. We'll continuously monitor your portfolio. We will do the best investment as we discussed, and we'll definitely achieve your short-term and long-term goals very soon. So thank you once again for your time, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.